O gracious and sovereign God and Father, we gathered here invite and welcome your presence as we do what is right and proper, to remember with sorrow and solemnity the many children of our nation who have died in violent and evil circumstances. We recognize that you are God of justice, and you will call us all to account on that great day. Therefore, as the leaders of this city have rightly deemed it fit and proper that we should mark this moment, we ask for your mercy, grace, and help, that in these proceedings we will not only commemorate, but with renewed zeal and vigor defend and protect our children always.
I'm afraid for grow up. Me no want grow up. I'm afraid for grow up. Don't ask me why. Me say no ask me why. Crime is getting out of hand. Crime is getting out of hand. The children are fight them one another. Few children are fight them one another. Don't ask me why. Me say no ask me why. Me tired, me tired, me tired. Me tired of the killing. Me tired of the rape. Me tired, me tired, me tired.
And so as we reflect on the life of those who never had the opportunity to shine, let us try and ensure that no more names under tragic and violent circumstances is added to this monument. Let us become more responsible. As parents, we have a role to play. As members of the community, we have a role to play. As elected representatives, we also have more than a role to play. We must set examples for our young people to follow.
Sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit. But my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. Go be forward in this generation triumphantly.
For our part at the Kingston St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, has always denounced the act of crime and violence against our children. It is quite unfortunate that each year we gather at this monument to pay tribute to these victims and family. As mayor, this is not one of the tasks that I do enjoy. However, our presence here is symbolic as it sends a message that our beloved children are not forgotten.
is a heartbreaking reality that children are often the most vulnerable in our society, and it's our duty to ensure that they are protected and their rights are upheld. We must stand up and speak out against any form of violence or abuse that threatens the safety and well-being of our children. We must be their voice when they cannot speak for themselves, and we must fight for the justice of their behalf. It is our collective responsibility to create a safe and nurturing environment for all children.
Stand up, speak out, protect the rights of our children. If you don't stand up, who will protect us then? Bring back the culture. When my grandmother was 10, she said when she was growing, the entire village used to raise them.
I'm hopeful that coming out of today's service, that we together as a nation will leave here fortified in our minds, in policies, initiatives, and our efforts to protect and truly cherish each child. You heard them a while ago. Stand up, speak out, protect the rights of our children. It's a call to order, it's a charge, and it's given to each and every one of us.
Thank you once again for your unwavering support, solidarity, and compassion.